Hydrosystem 1500 is a stormwater treatment system that treats dissolved substances and solids in runoff waters from roads, car parks, roofs, or any other hard surfaces. The incoming water is directed tangentially into the lower section of the chamber. A vortex flow pattern forces fine solids to sink. The flow breakers in the sludge chamber break up the vortex flow patterns, promoting rapid particle settlement. The flow breakers ensure retained sediments are not remobilized at higher flow rates. The water flows upwards and so flows from the settlement chamber up into the filter segments above. These are filled with the specialist 3P filter material. In these filter elements, the substrates, heavy metals such as copper, zinc, lead, cadmium, oils and hydrocarbons such as pH and TPH, microplastics down to particle size of just 50 microns, 0.05 millimeters, phosphates and other nutrients and contaminants, and the fine dust, TSS, washed out from the air and from the road surfaces is filtered out within the upflow filters. The purified treated water flows up out of the filters and to discharge via a floatable retention outlet. This provides a physical oil barrier for the retention of spills. Treated water then passes to the outlet. All normal points of discharge can be connected and protected, including the protection of groundwater infiltration systems. Waters can also be discharged to a harvesting or rainwater reuse tank or a firewater suppression tank. It is often also possible to discharge treated water directly to surface water bodies, lakes and rivers, etc. Maintenance is so simple. A standard gully suction truck is all that is required, with a suitable suction hose to reach the chamber base via the central maintenance tube. After opening the manhole cover, the suction hose is lowered through the maintenance tube. This affords access to the sludge chamber below. If necessary, any residual dense sediments can be power washed off with fresh water and evacuated repeated. Replace the cover. That's it.